The reason I wanted to try the product was because I read the article in Women's Wear Daily, and my grandfather has Alzheimer's, and I thought what an amazing way to bring the family together. And I purchased it for a Christmas present, and then we were all able to use it together. It was really cool because I tried the product first with my entire family, and my grandfather opened the present at Christmas, and then we all went around. We had it be the last present that was opened, and we all went around, and I gave everybody a fragrance stick, and then I rolled the fragrance on it, and then I kind of let him go first so that we could see if he could identify the fragrance. And then, some of them he could, some of them he couldn't, just because his sense of smell isn't very good anymore. But he identified the chocolate flavor and got really excited because he loves sweets. He said, "Ooh, this one's chocolate, I know this one." And he really isn't much for conversation anymore because the Alzheimer's is so bad. He can't really carry on like a meaningful conversation. So it was exciting to see him get excited about something. And then some of the other ones like grass, got everybody else talking too. So, my aunt would go around and say, "Oh, I remember when I had to cut the grass when I was a kid." Somebody said, "I remember that too, and I remember this from when I was a kid, and I remember that." So even the fragrances that he couldn't identify, the other family members were able to identify them. So it was really great in a group setting to see everybody come together and enjoy it together.